In July 2017, I got a chance to perform at the prestigious India International Dance Festival (IIDF) at Bhubaneswar. This was a great opportunity for us to explore Odisha, so we happily packed our bags. Keep watching for a snippet of my performance at IIDF.
Flights from Bangalore to Odisha generally break journey at Hyderabad. While we waited to catch our flight to Bhubaneswar, we came across this lovely wall that featured different artists. They were a treat to watch as they all were made in different mediums.
My mother is an amateur artist and Lionel likes to doodle, so they both had a great time comparing notes.
It was time for us to board our flight to Odisha. This flight had disco lights and smoke effects. Nice! The clouds reminded us that it's going to be a wet trip as it was monsoon in Odisha. We stayed at the Royal Midtown Hotel, Bhubaneswar.